Safety comes first regarding your tires. Today's car care tip is on tire maintenance. Do you know how important it is to care for your tires and to have them checked periodically? Hi, I'm Suzanne Smart from Carmax. Over or under inflated tires can cause damage. Having your tire pressure checked at least once a month is a good idea. You can never overdo that. But let's take a look at the spare of this vehicle. Okay, some vehicles have an actual spare, some have what we call a donut. This vehicle has a donut. Now, it is great to have this checked periodically because you don't want any sudden surprises when you have an actual flat or you need to change out one of the tires on the vehicle temporarily. So always make sure that checking your spare is part of your routine maintenance. Still tread within here, the tread. And the deck is still there, so it's still good traction and everything for this vehicle, I would say. But remember, persons might not drive their vehicle that often. They might have had their tires changed and they're thinking, I don't drive that often, I just go to the supermarket, to church, and that's it. You still need to check your tires because dry rot can happen. You're not using the tires, so you can lose them. So please do not take that for granted either. Sometimes even the car you're driving might indicate that your tires need some attention. That's your car care tip for today. Give me a call on 262-4236.